Hello world, this is Eric. Welcome back to my newest video. In this video I will show you how you can create your own Buy Me a Coffee widget for your website with WordPress and WooCommerce. You only need a domain, an active hosting, and now we upload WordPress. If you know how to do that, you can jump to the next chapter of this video. And if not, yes, now we start. Okay, here I have a little domain, the digitalfirefighter.com with a subdomain livestream. And here we will create your or my own WordPress installation. First you have to get the newest WordPress version. Go to wordpress.org and download it here. Then you have prepare in your hosting. Go get your host name, your user and database name, and your password. WordPress is based on a database, and that's why you need this information. Okay, after you downloaded your zip file, you have it to decompress the file into a new folder here. And now you have to edit the config file. Go here and rename it. Delete the sample word. You need only wp config file. And then open it with your text editor, your code tool. Okay, this is now the wp config file that you need. And now you have to input your database information into here. Here is the DB name, that means database name. That's this one. And the username, for me it's the same one. And here you have added the password. Drag and drop it, copy paste it, whatever. And after that we scroll down, and now we need the salt key here for WordPress. Open the browser, a new tab, go to API WordPress secret key 11 salt. Reload it, and now copy this information and put it here into this file. And now please change this stable prefix. This is for security reasons. I will call it live. Okay, and now we open the FTP program. This is my preferred tool called FileZilla. It's a FTP client. Now you upload this information, all of these files, into your server, included the new wp-config.php file. If you did that, now we can configure your WordPress website. Okay, now I'm here back on the live stream subdomain, and I just reloaded this page. And now you can show, or you can see the settings for the installation settings for WordPress. Here you can choose your preferred language. We will choose English for now. And then you have here to add your site title. I will call it live stream, a username, and a password. Okay, you can create a new one here, or you can use this automatic generated one. I will create a new one, a simple one. Don't do that. It's a very weak password, but for purpose of this video, it's enough. Okay, if you have a very weak password, you have to confirm this here with this little box mark. And then input your your email address, and for now we don't want that Google and other search engine indexing my page. Also, I deactivate this function, and that will prevent indexing that. Now, look, after pushing install, you can already log in into your WordPress. I use my name and my weak password here. And now we already inside WordPress. This is the front page, and this is the dashboard, the backend. Now you can use the simple 2021 theme, or 2019 or 2020. I prefer you use the Storefront theme from WordPress and WooCommerce. I prefer this method, this theme, because it is optimized for WooCommerce. That's really awesome. Okay, we go and create or looking for the new one. And we search for Storefront. Here is it. Click on the install button, and the installing is going, is working, I hope. That could. And after is downloaded, you can activate it. Okay, we go back here and we see the Storefront theme is active, and if I go to the front page and I reload that, you can see it's a new page, a new design. Now we need, or we could configure this theme here with Storefront. Here you can manage all of that, but this is a topic for another video. And yes, that's all for installation your WordPress template, your WordPress tool, your WordPress CRM. You see, it's very simple. Now we use WooCommerce for donation or for selling products. That's what you want, like buy me a coffee, and now we need to install a little shop. Okay, first you go here to the plugins settings and look for WooCommerce. It's in this repository of WordPress. Here you can see WooCommerce active installation 5 million plus. Install now and activate it. After you activated WooCommerce, you will redirect it to this new setting page. Here you can add your address. And I'm based here in Switzerland. Okay, I will search my canton, my city, and my postcode. Now I click here to continue. Build a better WordPress, get improved features. No, I will not that WooCommerce collect some data from my shop. And after that you can choose which industry you are in. I'm in electronics. And here you can add some settings. If you choose this one, subscription, membership, booking, bundles, or customized products, you will add some new plugins, some new paid plugin. Don't do that. I will only sell some physical products. We can change these settings after. And here, how many products do you play? I don't care. That's not important. Here you can WooCommerce give you some ideas. I will already deactivate this. So, and now I'm finished with installation from WooCommerce. As you can see here on the left side, here you can see the settings, the inside of WooCommerce. Here we can create some products. Here we have some analytics, and here some marketing gadgets. Now we go to WooCommerce settings and we will control if all right here. If the sell to all countries, if you're only selling in the US, you have to choose here, sell to a specific country, and then you have to search for America or Australia or whatever. Or you can accept selling products for a specific country. If you don't want to sell products to Canada, you can do that here, sell to all country except for Canada. Okay, for this I will sell to all countries, ship to all countries, and shop based is all okay. Here you can enable or let deactivated the tax rates. I don't do that now. Yeah, that's okay for here. Here, the settings for products. If you want inventory, stock management, you can activate this here, but we are selling only digital goods, donations. Then we can deactivate this system. Shipping is not important because donations are digital goods and we don't need a shipping zone and shipping settings. Payments, yeah, payments, it's really important. You can add or activate the direct bank transfer or check or cash or PayPal. For now, I activate PayPal here. Click to this little button and now I will enable here, and here I need my PayPal email address. I edit this one and now you are ready to buy goods from your store here. Okay, now we are going to create some products. Okay, here on the products, create a product. This is the window for creating products, of course. Okay, buy me a coffee. Here you can add some description. I really need that I am a coffee addicted man, perhaps. Here you can choose your price. I don't know how much money costs to buy a coffee in America. I say $5. I don't know, $5. And here you can choose here the virtual button. And as you can see, here is the shipping settings for these products. And after you activated virtual products, the shipping settings is gone. That's really cool. And now we have to create some cool image. Here, product image. I was going here before I recorded this video here to canva.com, and I created this little icon. Its size is 800 pixel and it's a simple image. Now I edit this little image here, looking for my file. Here is my little image. You see it's 44 kilobyte. And now I will add this to WordPress. Here, it's already online. Now I set the product image. here you can create a new category if you want. It's not necessary. Donation, add new, and you can publish. And if we click on this little link, you see here the product. It's really that easy. Now you can buy me a coffee, or you can create here some new products like a shirt, merchandise, or whatever you want. But don't forget, if you sell some physical goods like a t-shirt, a cap, or whatever, you have to activate the shipping. Don't forget it, because we cannot beam some product to your customer. As you can see here on the start page, you don't see the new products, and now we will change that. We go here in the settings in the backend of your WordPress site, go to readings, and here you can change the start page. Now I will here activate this here, and here for the home page I will choose the shop page. And now, after I save that new settings, I can go to the front page, reload it, and here you see this little product direct in the front page. Okay, now we know that we sell products only with PayPal, but if you have a Stripe account, you can also connect this with Stripe. But we need a new plugin. Okay, here we know to activate, to installate a new plugin, we have to go to plugins, add new, and now we search for Stripe. And as you can see, there are many plugins from Stripes, about Stripes, etc. I prefer this one, is direct created from WooCommerce. It's really simple and a cool plugin, a simple plugin. That's what I prefer. Okay, after you downloaded it and activate it, you see it here in the overview of all your plugins. Now you can add your information, your contact information here, activate your Stripe, and then add your live publishing key and live secret key and the webhook secret. These three information you have to collect direct in your Stripe account. We don't do that now, of course. And then activate it and save it, and now you can collect donation with Stripe. If you want to check what channel you have to collect your money, you can go to payments here in WooCommerce, and you can activate or enable and disable this system. Okay, if you have your bank account, your bank information, you can activate it or deactivate it. I know in America is check payment really important. We here in Europe we don't know that. Cash on delivery, perhaps. Here the Stripe, the PayPal account. Here you can add SEPA, Bankomat, Stripe Sofort. That's a German function, and here Alipay and whatever you want. Okay, now I showed you how to install WordPress. You can install your WordPress system, how to add WooCommerce, the plugin, the shop system here. Yeah, what can we do now? Yes, we change here the menu. That's a little complicated, a little special. I don't like it. You can change the menu here on the appearance on the menus. Create a new menu. Save it. And now you can add all of these pages, the already activated or already created from WooCommerce. Okay, shop, that's the shop, the entry page, the cart, the checkout, and the my account page. Okay. Then I have to activate the primary menu. This big one here is the primary menu, and then save it. And now we will check on the front page if it's all right or if I fucked up. Okay, here you can see my page. This is the shop page. Here the cart, the checkout, and my account. Now, to finish this little website, we can add some formula, some contact formula. I'm using for that always contact form 7. Contact form 7. It's a plugin. It's a really nice plugin. I install it now, activate it, and now you can see here a new menu point, contact. We use the first one. I change the title. Here you can see the shortcode for this little formula. Here you can change your form settings. I have here a field for your name, your email address, a subject field, and a message field. Here I can create the settings of the email. Okay, to, email from. We let it be as it is here. Now I copy paste this little shortcode. I will create a new page. Before I copy this little shortcodes into WordPress, I have to say I am not a big fan of Gutenberg. I prefer the classic editor, and this is a plugin that I have also installed here. Install now. Activate it. Check the settings, classic editor, and now I can create a new page. And here you see now the old editor. I add here a little title, and now I paste the shortcode into this page and publish it. And if I'm going to the front page, to the contact form page, you see here is my contact form. Now I will add this page into my little menu. I will do it when I'm going here to the menu, add contact, and save now. And I think now I'm finished with this little video. You see here on the front page this little product. You can buy one or many coffees, and you can order it after the checkout system. You have a little contact formula, and that's all for today. If you have a question or you say my little video it's really terrible, then tell me that into the comment section. And yes, thank you for watching, and we see you again in the next live stream or video. Thank you, bye.